out here in the UP. Got my sister and my uncle here, and we're on a fishing mission, guys. Look at that, that's beautiful. Isn't that the most beautiful thing you ever seen?
Yeah, you only have 10 seconds to catch a fish, otherwise I'm giving up.
Okay. Boom.
Oh, I was just about to give up.
Oh, fish on!
Oh,
Oh,
amateur hour.
stole my bait.
You got it. Reel it, all the way.
Real.
Yeah! Oh my gosh! Oh my god! It's huge! Sheesh!
Yeah.
Let's release him.
Okay.
Brother, sister. Maybe they were brother, sister fish too.
Another Mondo.
Whoa, that's the best ones. Real
Oh, yeah.
heavy.
See, that's a nice one right there.
Not too
Look
sure.
at that. It's kind of a bucket mouth.
Wow, that's crazy.
Then that mouth. Sheesh. All right. See you later, Bertha. What? With the popper? That was sick. Oh my.
What is this? Oh, we got a smallmouth.
Largy.
Oh, it's a large? Jeez,
Yeah.
these are light colored.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. Oh, we got some mosquitoes out too.
Sheesh. I'm getting better at handling bass and dropping them less. But yeah, I just threw this thing out for the first cast. He boiled on it right away. Look at that. Boom. See you later. Woo. Rock bass.
Rock bass.
No. Little tiny little largy here.
Oh yeah.
Another one on the plopper. Not the plopper, the popper. Although I could be using a whopper plopper out here. What? You don't know what a whopper plopper is? They plop the whoppers. Here, give them a view of that sunset. Sheesh. Beautiful. Big ass bluegill attacked the frickin' crankbait here. Well, slaunch donkey on the crankbait. I cannot take videos right now with the GoPro because I can't find my chest mount, so I'm gonna have to take a video of the release now. We got a Mondo on. Ooh. Sheesh, look at that. Big and tank donkey right here. Oh my god. Jeez. Boom. Sheesh. Looky here. Slaunch donkey. There we go. Alright. See you later. Ooh. Jeez. Another one. Alright, this one's smaller. Okay. There we go. Well, today I'm taking out the John boat all by myself. Awesome doing. Sean. What do we got? A pike? It's getting stuck in the weeds. Holy crap. Oh, damn. Get out of those weeds, man. Come on. Oh, a little largy. Using the weeds to his advantage. Nice topwater bass. Oh yeah. I really wish I could get those water strikes out here, but I don't know when to film. Look at this bad boy. Oh yeah. Slab or donkey. Man, it's just fish after fish out here. You don't get this down in California. On the chug bug type thing. Another Mondo. Oh, surface. Another bass. It's like the northerns are just gone. Really weirdly lipping this thing, but there he goes. That's fine. This has got to be a pike. No, it's a nice bass. Or it's just a fish that was wrapped up in seaweed or something. Wonder if this is a good angle. Oh yeah, nice pike. What do you know? What do you know? What do you know? Oh, sheesh! Look at this mad lad right here. Ooh. That was risky business. I hoisted him up there. Look at that. Wait here. Just a bit. Okay. Look at this, man. That's what it's. Oh, God. Holy shit. Oh my. Oh God. Damn. Now he's on the. Alright. Let's see here. Caught this nice pike. Look at this beauty. Sheesh. Here on this chartreuse crankbait. Oh. There he goes. Good stuff. They're biting the top water. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Say sheesh. Hell yeah. Alright, scope this parking job. Coming in hot. Coming in hot. Alright, you ready for this? Boom. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that not beautiful? Best damn parking job you ever seen. Right now. On the Thunderband YouTube channel.